Are the burgers hot here? Yeah? Do you want me to cough on it? Like a little bit of phlegm or? No. Is the coffee hot?
Yeah, good.
Do you want me to cough on it to cool it down for you?
Cough on it?
Yeah, just a little one, just like, just about a little bit of phlegm. I reckon from here I can probably get it in the cup. Hold on a second, mate. Hey, you can push it now, mate. It should be clean. No? It should be nice and clean, mate. No? Yeah, hi there. I was just wondering if I could come up and cough on you face to face.